Now I will create the commit. So now let's create one commit. Hit commit. So changes to be committed means these changes will be committed. Okay? If I create one commit, this is the command for creating one commit. Hit commit, and you can type your message by typing this, and inside this string you can type your text means what kind of work you have done. For example, I have added few HTML files. Okay, added index and so HTML files. Okay. So these files has been added. Also, you can use git k for checking this commit. I'm just launching git k. Type git k here, hit enter. You will see this is the GUI, graphical user interface for git k. Okay, so my work here you can see, and I am on the master branch. I've created one commit, that yellow sign. I've created one commit, and who has created this commit? Neetesh Gupta with this email, and this is the time, and this is the date. Okay, I have created this commit, and what are the files I have committed? Index.html and show.html. These two files have been added, but I do not have any content in this file, so that's why it's showing blank. So that's the GUI for GitK. You can see git status. Now you will working directory clean means I do not have any untracked changes. For example, here I can add some text here, HTML. This is the, for example, just I have added this HTML. Now I can here show you git status. It will show you this file has been modified. See here, previously it was showing it was a new file. Okay, index.html. Now it is showing modified because this is the previous, this was the previous change. Nothing was there. Now we have added something, so it is showing you modified. Okay, you can also add this one, get add git commit, um, let's say added HTML code. Now you will see this content we have added. So this is the version control means previously this was the version for index.file. Now we have this version of this index file. This changes has been added. Who added this changes? Neetesh Gupta. So this is the way you can help, with the help of gitk you can just track the changes. This is the git.